Welcome to our tutorial on CATIA's Line tool. Let me undock the Line toolbar. First, I'll create a simple line. Let's delete it. I can also create a line using the Sketch tool. Let's say I want it to be 3 inches, tab, and at 30 degrees. Click Enter, and here we have a line with the appropriate constraints, 3 inches long and at 30 degrees. Let's delete that. Next, we've got the Infinite Line tool. In the Sketch Tool toolbar, select Horizontal. Next, I'll create a vertical infinite line. We can also create an infinite line that goes through 2 points. Let's delete that. Before we examine the next line function, let's create a couple of circles. And some points too. Let's select Bitangent Line. And I'm going to select one circle and the other circle. Now CATIA has created a line which is tangent to both circles. Let's do it again. This time I'm going to select this circle on the opposite side. CATIA gives us another line which is tangent to both circles. Let's try it again. Now this point and this circle and another line tangent to this circle. Let's delete all of this geometry. Now let's create 2 regular lines that cross each other. Then I'll select the Bisecting Line tool. I select my lines, and CATIA creates a bisecting infinite line. Let's try it again. This time we select the lines at different points. CATIA now has created an infinite bisecting line in this direction. Okay, let's delete this. The last tool is called Line Normal to Curve. Let's create a circle. Now we select a point and the circle. CATIA creates a line which is coincident to this point. That is, the projection of this line goes through the center of this circle. It's at 90 degrees to this line, which is tangent to the circle. And this concludes our tutorial on the Line toolbar.